In this video, we will show you how to set up a repeating event, also known as a recurring event. You can set these up in one of two ways. One way is to click the Add Event button, or if you already have an event on the calendar, you can actually copy the event. I'm going to copy the event Introduction to 3D Printing on December 18th and turn this into a repeating or recurring event. From the drop-down blue arrow, click Copy Event. We are now working on a copy of the event. We're going to keep the title, we're going to keep the location. All we're going to change on this is the repeating value. Notice in the repeat drop-down, you've got the options for daily, weekly, monthly, and annually. We're going to set this up to be a monthly repeating event. We're then going to decide what should be the first date of the event. Let's change this to start on the third Monday of every month starting on January 16th. It's now going to repeat monthly, and notice there's different options or different patterns you can select from. We want this repeating event to repeat on the third Monday of every month. You'll also notice the different options you have for different months. Next, you want to tell the system how far out in the future the event should repeat. Clicking on the small little calendar, we're going to go ahead and have this event repeat out to the third Monday of October 2017. You'll also notice under the event interval, you do have those two radio buttons, one for ongoing event, one for one-time event. This event is not considered an ongoing event. An ongoing event would be more appropriate for an art exhibit or some event that has a specific start and end date that spans multiple weeks or multiple days. This event is a one-time event. Once you've set that repeat end date, you'll also notice there's an option for no end date. When a no end date is used on a daily or weekly repeating event, the event will repeat for a period of 2 years. A no end date applied to a monthly or annually pattern will extend the event out for 20 years or 200 years. Once you have this information entered, you can then click OK to save the event. You will now see on your training calendar or your department calendar the repeating event you've just added. So you'll notice we've added the event starting on January 16th. It's the third Monday of January and the third Monday of the month. You'll also notice on our display here we have exposed and we are displaying all of the holidays. Notice that on January 16th of 2017 is the Martin Luther King holiday. We also have the Introduction to 3D Printing happening at the same day. The campus is probably closed, so that event will not be happening. So what we're going to do is remove this one event from the repeating pattern. To do this, we click on the event on January 16th, and in this case here, we could actually delete this one event from the pattern. So we're not going to cancel the event. Instead, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice there's a radio button for only this event. I select only this event and click on the button Delete this event. When you then click OK, you'll notice that one event is now off of the training calendar or your department calendar, but all of the other printing introduction courses are still happening on the third Monday of every month in the future. Also notice on all of those events, they currently start at 10 a.m. and go for 90 minutes and end at 11:30 a.m. Starting in April, on April 17th, 2017, the time changes to a start time of 10:30. We can now quickly make an edit or change to the start time from that event moving forward. So I click on the event for April 17th. All I do is change the start time from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. If I scroll down to the bottom of the event, I now check the radio button for this and future events in the repeating pattern, and then click OK. Now you'll notice all of the events from April 17th moving forward all have a new start time of 10:30 a.m., while all of the other events earlier in the year still have a start time of 10 a.m.